Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in as admin and ready. First, create a restore point and export hklm/software/policies if you need to roll back. Once done, open Settings Update and Security Windows Update. Pause updates for 7 days to stop immediate installs. Make your current Wi-Fi a metered connection so large downloads won't start automatically. These steps halt activity while you prepare deeper controls. Keep the settings window open because you'll return to it after changing services and policies. Now stop update services, open services. MSC, find WiwaServe and stop it, then set startup type to manual. Do the same for Windows Update Medic service if present. Next, open gpedit. MSC, under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, set Configure Automatic Updates to notify for download so you control installs. Also disable Delivery Optimization and Peer Distribution to prevent background transfers. These controls prevent automatic restarts and downloads while keeping the system stable and manageable. If group policy isn't available, edit the registry. Under hklm/software/policies, /Microsoft/Windows, /Windows Update add no auto update equals 1 and no options equals 2 to stop automatic downloads. Optionally create outbound firewall rules blocking the Windows Update service or known update hosts to add a network level block. Once complete, clear software distribution folder to avoid queued installs and reboot. If updates still behave oddly, boot to safe mode, re-enable services briefly to run system restore, then reapply the blocking steps. That resolves most rollback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.